yield and moisture sensor, that's one thing to calibrate every year, and then calibrate it for each crop that you're doing too. If you have a 10 and 20 series machine where you don't have the spring gauge in here, you can actually get a kit to where you'll weld this onto the side of the feeder house and go to this spring gauge style. When your bolt that holds your rasp bar on is half gone, you need to be replacing that rasp bar. If you do change sieves on it, you have to go in and tell the machine that you have changed from 1 5/8 to 1 1/8 or vice versa. They also did drop the grease interval on your chopper bearings from 600 hours down to 100 hours. And what they want is 2 pumps every 100 hours on these new style bearings. Your suction line, make sure you don't have a bunch of chaff or something that got in there and starts plugging your suction line up. Take that hose off and make sure you got a good stream of fuel coming out of there.